guys, and welcome to Make Easy, and this is the part 2 of Chartboard application. So we are doing today, so we are adding navigation bar, and we are making changes to layout file, and we are adding styles to login and sign up pages, and we're going to be testing login sign up pages. Let's start. So first, I need to create a navigation bar partial. So that is inside the app. So views, layout, so nav.html.yab. That's it. So vim, just visit the file, and I have the piece of code already. So this is the code. So we added. So is nothing a bootstrap navigation bar. So that include the few conditions. So if user is signed in or not signed in, and also we taking current user role. So right now we don't have any current user role. So I'm going to be hiding that because we don't need that right now. So I'm just deleting that, and also we don't need the condition that I added over here. If the recruiter, you can create a job and all, so that is also no need right now, so I'm just deleting it. So later we will add all these conditions, so once we done for our roles thing in the third video. That's it. So and also visit application.html layout file, application.html.erb. So there we're gonna make few changes. So the changes that include, so we're gonna be adding styles. Means we are changing font styles and all, so that is gonna adding at first. So after that we adding a container block. So I'm going to first copy this one, the partial file. So done. So I'm going to be add container block. So after that we needed these notice things and all, error messages. So we need to close the div after it. That's it. So save the file and just visit home page. That's it, we already done. So and also now we visit sign in page, so it's not at style at all, right? So we need to make add few styles to that. So sessions, right? Session start new page, there div dot draw. Okay, meta I'm not installed it, fine. So div class done. So after that, so I'm going to add the text center also. H2 login page. That's it. I'm going to deleting this login page, this H2 login. So even that we need to add a row to form. So After that, so we need to add div class column md offset 4 column md4. That's it. So we're gonna be copy these all the things, just delete it, and that's it. So, and I'm going to adding form form group and form control, same styles to the registration page also. So I'm just deleting this one, and I have that the copy of the file. So copying, and I was pasting over here. That's it. So now let's test our login and sign up pages. So done. So not done it. Sessions.new.html.erb. There I made a mistake. So column, so offset 4 column md offset 4. Now it's done. So now just refresh it. So done. So first create a user, and password is the password. Done. So it was signed up successfully. We're gonna be logging out and sign in. That's it. That's it, guys. So I think so we done for the day 2. So we added a navigation bar, made changes to layout file, and adding styles to sign up page, and test the logic login and sign up page. It's done, guys. Thank you, guys, and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video, and please subscribe to make easy.